So here is the Buffer AI tutorial. Buffer helps you plan, schedule, and manage social media content, and is great for creators and businesses who want to stay consistent without spending hours posting manually. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to access Buffer and get started. So after clicking on my link below, you'll be brought to this page, which is the official website. On the top here, let's click on Pricing to check it out. So on this page, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with Free, Essentials, and Team. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans from right here. So you can choose whichever one that you prefer. Now, let's head back to the main screen and click on Get Started for Free on the top right. If you already have an account, you can log in as well. Now, just put in your email address and create a password. Make sure that your password matches with the requirements shown below. After that, just click on Sign Up. So as you can see, we're now logged in and on the dashboard. On the top here, you have the option to create, publish, community, and start page. And on the left panel, you get to see all of these options. You can connect all of these social media platforms. Then here you have queue, drafts, approvals, and send. So from the left panel, let's go over to connect Instagram. If you click on it, we will get to see the option to connect to Instagram. So let's click on it. Over here, manage the permissions and click on Allow. After that, Buffer will start the process to connect to your Instagram. Give it some time to load up. Once you're here on the next page, you need to select your account and click on Finish Connection. So now, we will get to see a pop-up like this. Let's start off by selecting how many times a week we would like to post. Choose from the options and click on Next. After that, Buffer will show you your recommended times to post. From here, you can click on Customize. After that, you'll be taken to the posting schedule page. So from here, you can go over to the left and click on this plus icon to create a new post. And over here, you will get to see the posting times for different days are on. You can turn the toggles off if you want. Then if you go over to General here, you will get to see all of these settings. Let's click on New on the top right. Here, you have the option to choose between post or idea. You can also connect a new channel or create a start page or invite a team member. Now, let's get out of the settings page. From here, you will be able to choose calendar from the top right. So if you select calendar, you will get to see all your scheduled posts right here, and they will be sorted by date and time. You can click on this plus icon on any date and time, and over here, just choose whatever you want to post, such as post, reel, or story. Let's go with post for this one. And over here, just type in your caption. As an example, I will just type in something random, but you can put whatever you want to have as your caption. On the right side, we get to see a preview of exactly how it will look like. Then, click on this Select a File option or drag and drop your file onto the box. So wait for your post to get uploaded. And once it's done uploading, you will get to see the preview on the right side just like this. Then we can move on to the next section. Here, if you click on this plus icon, you will be able to select media from all of these integrations. Then, if you want to add stickers to your post, you can come over here and enable these options. If you get this pop-up, you can click on Next and set it up if you want, or just click on Maybe Later. So go through these sections and fill them up according to your preference. This is exactly what you would otherwise do if you are posting directly on Instagram. Now if we head over to the top here, we can see this tags option. Here, you can search for tags or click on New Tag in order to add a new tag. Just type in the tag name, and after that, you can also select a color for your tag. Once done, click on Save Tag. So on the top here, you can see the new tag added. Once done, you can go to the bottom right here and select your date and time for your post. So set the time according to your preference by going over the date and time. You can scroll through the options here and select whichever time slot you want. And once you're done setting it up, just go over to the bottom and click on Done. Your newly set time will be saved. Right now, we have the preview already open. If it's not, you can just click on this preview button in order to get a view of your post just like this. Once you're all set, just click on Schedule Post on the bottom right. And as you can see on the calendar here, our post has been added. You can hover over it and you will get to see the details just like this. Your post will now be automatically published on your scheduled time. Now, let's head over to Community on the top. This is where you'll get updates on all your post interactions. You will see all the information about the comments and your replies. And if you head over to Start page on the top here, you'll be taken to the Templates page. Just give it some time to load up. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates to choose from. Let's scroll through them and check them out. As you can see here, there are templates for different kinds of pages. You can choose whichever one that you want, for example, this one. After that, just put in the name for your page. Then, click on Next. You will then be taken to the Editor page. This is where you'll get all the options to customize your page according to your preference. You can scroll through the template to check it out, and on the left, you can see the status of your page, which now is not published. On the right side here, you will get to see the layout, and you can choose any section of your page and customize it further. For example, I'm changing the image for this section. You can add any image from your device, and once it's uploaded, you'll notice that the image changes on the template. Then, you can put in a name for your business or your personal name. After that, a short description. Then if we head over to Appearance on the top right, we get multiple theme options to choose from. As you select them, it will change in real time on the template. This way, you can easily check them out. Next, we have the option to change the button color, and here, you will get many options to choose from, or you can click on the plus icon and choose any color that you want. After that, we have the font packs. This is where you can select any font pack and the fonts for all your text on your template will change. Then we have the Ad Block section. You will get options to add links for socials, image, and more. Then we have Statistics. You'll be able to view all the analytics right here, starting with page views, link clicks, and more. Lastly, we have Settings. This is where you can change the name of your page. Also set your page domain. Once you're done, just click on Publish Changes, and your newly created page will be published. But keep in mind that you need to verify your email first before you can publish a start page. So now, let's head back to the home page of Buffer. And once we're here, we will get to see the calendar view for all channels, because that is what we've set. We can also select List on the top right in order to get a list view of all our schedules. Over here on Channels, you'll be able to connect more channels by clicking on this button. And this is where all your channels will be visible. Then moving on, we have Billing on the left panel. Then there's Tags, Channel Groups, and Saved Replies. These are some useful tools that will come in handy once you start automating your scheduling and posting. So now, going back to the home page, if you click on the profile icon on the top right, this is where you'll get to see all the options for settings, channels, and the option to invite your team. But to use this, you will need to upgrade your plan. And that's it. That is the tutorial for Buffer AI.